What's up, everybody? It's Mac here, and today we're going big. Ever dreamt of becoming a millionaire, especially as a teen? It sounds crazy, right? But trust me, it's totally possible. I'm living proof. I started my channel young, hustled hard, and now I'm here to share the secrets to success. Want to become a millionaire? Here are 7 powerful tips from my experience. Buckle up, because we're diving in. Are you ready to change your life? Let's do this. Alright, first things first. Let's talk about something that might not be on your radar but should be. You know those weekend parties everyone talks about? The ones where everyone seems to be having the time of their lives. Yeah, we're gonna skip those. At least for now. Trust me, there's a bigger picture here. And before you click away, hear me out. This isn't about being a buzzkill. It's about making smarter choices. I'm not saying you can't have fun, but think about it. Alcohol's expensive. Every drink you buy adds up quickly. Those sodas at the store? Way cheaper. And they can be just as enjoyable without the hefty price tag. Plus, no hangovers, which means you can wake up early and hustle. Imagine starting your day fresh and full of energy. Remember that energy drink challenge I did? That was wild. But it showed me how much more I could do when I wasn't bogged down by alcohol. But seriously, imagine putting that kind of energy into building your future. Studying harder, working smarter, and investing in yourself. Every dollar you save is a dollar you can invest. Think about the long-term benefits of saving now. And that's what we're all about, right? Building that million-dollar empire. It's not just a dream, it's a plan. Plus, staying focused and clear-headed is key to making smart decisions. When your mind is sharp, your choices are better. You'll be surprised how much sharper you are when you're not chugging sugary drinks all the time. Hydration and healthy snacks can make a huge difference. So ditch the drinks, save that cash, and let's crush this. Together, we can achieve more than we ever thought possible. It's all about making small changes that lead to big results. Planning a budget, setting financial goals, and sticking to them. Use the money you save to invest in hobbies, learn new skills, or even start a side hustle. The possibilities are endless. Imagine the confidence you'll gain from achieving your goals and celebrating milestones. It's a feeling like no other. And who knows? You might even inspire others to follow your lead. Be the change you want to see. So let's make a pact. No more wasting money on alcohol. Let's invest in our futures and build the lives we dream of. The future is bright, and it's ours for the taking. Listen up, because this is where things get exciting. We're about to dive into a world of opportunities that can transform your future. Forget flipping burgers for minimum wage. Those jobs might be a rite of passage, but they don't have to be your destiny. We're talking about high-income skills that can change your life. Think coding, graphic design, and other tech-savvy skills that are in high demand. Online marketing, for instance, is a gold mine. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for expertise in this area because it directly impacts their bottom line. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Mac, those skills are hard. They seem so complicated and out of reach. And you know what? You're right. They can be challenging, especially at the beginning. But guess what's harder? Working a dead-end job your whole life and never reaching your full potential. Imagine the frustration of feeling stuck and unfulfilled. The internet is your best friend here. Free courses, YouTube tutorials, and countless resources are at your fingertips. Online communities are also a treasure trove of knowledge. You can connect with like-minded individuals, ask questions, and get support from people who have been where you are. Remember that time I learned how to solve a Rubik's Cube in under a minute? It seemed impossible at first, but I broke it down into manageable steps. It took practice, dedication, and a whole lot of patience. I had to keep at it, even when it felt frustrating. Learning a new skill is no different. It's about persistence and the willingness to push through the tough times. It's about putting in the work, mastering your craft, and becoming so good they can't ignore you. The journey might be tough, but the rewards are worth it. Imagine the sense of accomplishment you'll feel when you finally achieve your goals. The recognition, the financial rewards, and the personal satisfaction are all within your reach. So start today. Set your goals, make a plan, and take the first step towards learning a high-income skill. Your future self will thank you for it. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. With time, effort, and the right resources, you can become an expert too. The journey starts now. So what are you waiting for? Dive in, embrace the challenge, and unlock your potential. The world is waiting for your talents. Okay, you're making money. You're avoiding unnecessary expenses. Now it's time to put that cash to work. I'm talking about investing. Investing is a powerful tool that can help you build wealth over time. Don't worry, you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to get started. Anyone can learn the basics and start investing with just a little bit of money. Remember that time I gave away thousands of dollars to random people? It felt amazing. But what if I had taken that money and invested it instead? Imagine the potential growth. Investing allows your money to work for you, rather than just sitting in a bank account. It would have grown even more. Over time, investments can increase in value, providing you with a significant return. That's the power of compound interest. Compound interest means you earn interest on your initial investment, plus any interest that has already been added. Start small, learn the ropes, and gradually increase your investments as you become more comfortable, and watch your money multiply. Even small, regular investments can grow significantly over time. There are tons of apps and websites that make investing easy and accessible for everyone. These tools provide valuable resources and guidance to help you make informed decisions. It's like planting a seed. You nurture it, give it time, and it grows. And watching it grow into a money tree. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Time is one of the most important factors in investing. The more time your money has to grow. So ditch the fear, do your research, and start investing today. The sooner you begin, the more you can benefit from the power of compound interest and long-term growth. Chapter 4. Surround yourself with success. The power of influence. You ever notice how hanging out with negative people can bring you down? The same goes for success. Surround yourself with driven, ambitious individuals, and their energy will rub off on you. Remember when I collaborated with all those awesome YouTubers? The energy was electric. We bounced ideas off each other, learned from each other, and pushed each other to be better. That's the power of surrounding yourself with greatness. Attend industry events, connect with mentors, and learn from the best. You'll be amazed at how much faster you grow when you're surrounded by people who are already where you want to be. Remember, you become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, so choose wisely. Chapter 5. Stay out of the red credit cards and the debt trap. Credit cards can seem tempting, right? Free money. But trust me, they're a trap. Those high interest rates will sneak up on you faster than you can say debt. Remember that time I filled my backyard with slime? It was messy, chaotic, and a huge pain to clean up. That's what credit card debt is like. It's better to live within your means and avoid it altogether. Focus on building your wealth, not digging yourself into a financial hole. Use that debit card, track your spending, and stay in control of your finances. Remember, financial freedom is about making smart choices, not about impressing others with things you can't afford. Chapter 6. The $1 Million Blueprint. Setting clear financial goals. You can't hit a target you can't see, right? The same goes for your finances. You need a clear vision of what you want to achieve. Want that $1 million mansion? Write it down. Dream car. Put it on a vision board. Having specific goals gives you something to strive for, a reason to hustle harder. Break down your big goals into smaller, more manageable steps. Remember that time I challenged myself to give away $100,000 in a day? It seemed impossible at first, but by breaking it down into smaller chunks, we made it happen. The same principle applies to your financial goals. Set those milestones, track your progress, and celebrate your wins along the way. Chapter 7. Unlocking hidden income streams. The power of the side hustle. Who says you can only have one job? In today's world, there are endless opportunities to make extra cash on the side. Remember when I started my YouTube channel? It was just a fun side project at first, but it turned into something much bigger. Think about your skills and passions. Can you turn them into a side hustle? Maybe you're a coding whiz who can build websites for local businesses, or a talented artist who can sell designs online. The possibilities are endless. The key is to find something you enjoy and that generates income. Remember, Every dollar you earn from your side hustle brings you one step closer to that million-dollar dream. So there you have it. My 7 secrets to making your first million as a teen. Remember, it's not about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about hard work, dedication, and making smart choices. Follow these tips, stay dedicated, and you'll be on your way to making your first $1 million as a teen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips on achieving financial success. Now get out there and start building your empire. I believe in you.